I've been traveling for years and I used to overpack and waste money on gear I never used. Then I found these 12 Amazon items that actually earn their spot in my bag on every single trip. Let me show you what made the cut. My name is Jackie, and over the last 40 plus years of travel, I've tested hundreds of travel items. These 12 items solve real comfort problems that matter more after 50. It's not about spending more, it's about spending smarter. I promise you'll see exactly why each one made my always goes in my bag list. Many of these are under 30 and a few are under 50. And those items, I wouldn't trade them for the world. Let's start with the Lovevook Weekender Bag. Here's the problem it solves. Most Weekender bags cost over $150, but this one stores everything you need for a short trip without breaking the bank. Why does this matter for mature travelers? It's lightweight, it's easy to carry, and you can slide it right onto your suitcase handle for easy carrying. No more struggling with heavy bags through the airport, train station, or anywhere else. My personal experience, I've used this on car trips, train rides, and flights. It fits perfectly under the airplane seat, so I always have my essentials within reach. It has become my go-to for weekend getaways. This is luxury hybrid travel at its best. Premium comfort without the premium price tag and under $30 too. Before I show you the next one, let me tell you about the mistake I made for 10 years that this item solved. I used to carry two separate bags, my big purse and my big tote. Now, this one item does it all. The Lovevook 40-liter backpack is a game changer. It's designed to fit airline carry-on requirements, but it holds just as much as a small suitcase. And what I love the most is the organization. There are compartments for everything, for laptops, shoes, toiletry, clothes, pens, pencils. No more digging through black holes, trying to find my phone charger in the bottom of a bag. And because it's a backpack, it distributes the weight evenly across both shoulders. And that matters a lot when you're navigating airports and train stations. Your back will definitely thank you. This is similar to high-end travel backpacks that my friends have bought, but it's a fraction of the cost they paid. Now, let's talk about peace of mind. Apple AirTags. I slip one into my checked bag, one into my carry-on, and one into my headphone case, and one into my purse. If anything gets left behind or lost, I know exactly where it is. This has saved me so much stress. On a recent trip, we had to check our bags since it was a smaller foreign airline. Because I had an AirTag in my luggage, I could see that it made it on the plane before we departed. This is one of the smartest investments you can make as a traveler. Consider buying a 4-pack just to save a little more per item. Wait until you see item number 4. It's the one thing I cannot travel without, and it won't break the bank. And let me clarify, this is a wireless charging station, not a wireless charger with an internal battery. Those are heavier and clunkier, and I have one of those too, and I'll link it below in case you need it. But for portable power on the go, those are great. This is your charging station in hotel rooms, at home. It's a perfectly useful, essential tool for under $20. It's compact, lightweight, and it eliminates cable chaos. It folds into a lightweight and compact size for easy storage and easy travel. Now, let's talk about comfort, specifically sleeping and staying cool while traveling. The Lovevook pajamas for women have completely changed how I sleep on trips. Bamboo fabric is naturally temperature regulating. So if you tend to get hot at night like I do, these keep you cool. But they're also cozy enough if the room gets chilly. And they pack down so small, I can fit a full set of pajamas or two in a packing cube without taking up too much space. The same goes for the bamboo V-neck t-shirts. I wear these as base layers, casual day wear, or sometimes even to sleep in. They're my go-to almost daily. They're breathable, they don't wrinkle easily, and here's the best part. They don't hold odors the way synthetic fabrics do. That means I can wear them multiple times between washes, which is huge when you're traveling light. These are comfort essentials that help you pack less and feel better. This next one is incredibly affordable, but solves a problem that used to cost me hundreds in ruined clothes and frustration. Compression bags, specifically the Tripped travel compression bags. These have completely changed how I pack. I can fit twice as much in my carry-on without the wrinkled mess I used to deal with. Here's how they work. You fold or you roll your clothes. You place them in the bag, and then you compress or zip the bag down to a smaller size. Your clothes stay organized, wrinkle-free, and they take up half the space. There are a million packing cubes and compression bags out there, but I look for quality and durability, which is why I use the Tripped brand. I actually have 2 sets of their packing cubes in different sizes, and they've held up beautifully through dozens of trips. If you're trying to travel carry-on only, compression bags are non-negotiable, in my opinion. Speaking of Tripped products, their toiletry bags are another fabulous essential. I love they have a hanging hook, so I can hang them in the bathroom instead of taking up precious counter space. There are multiple compartments for organizing skincare, makeup, medications, and even hair tools. And here's a bonus. You can use these bags for other things too. I've used the smaller pouches as tech organizers and hung it on the back of my seat while I'm traveling, or I've used them for jewelry. They're versatile, durable, and very, very well designed. Now, let's talk about getting good quality sleep while traveling. Not impossible, especially with NuStrips. These are dissolvable sleep aid strips with no water needed. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep in a hotel room or to adjust to a new time zone, these are a lifesaver. They're so much easier than packing bottles of pills. They're lightweight, they're TSA friendly, and they dissolve on your tongue in seconds without a weird aftertaste. I keep a pack in my carry-on at all times because getting good sleep on the road is crucial, especially as we get older. These NuStrips make it really easy to get rest no matter where you are. These last 3 items, they solve problems I didn't even know I had until I started using them. First up, the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter. This thing is a powerhouse. It works in over 150 countries, so I don't have to research which adapter I need for each destination. But here's what makes it brilliant. It's not just an international adapter. It also works as a multi-outlet extender when I'm traveling in the US. So picture this. You're in a hotel room with only one outlet near the bed. You need to charge your phone, your watch, maybe a tablet, maybe other electronic items. With the Epicka, you can plug in multiple devices at once. It has USB ports, USB-C ports, and standard outlets. One adapter does it all, and I won't travel without it. Up next is my Merino.tech 100% merino wool long-sleeved shirt. Whew, that was a mouthful. This is similar to bamboo in that it's very breathable, it's temperature regulating, and it doesn't hold odors. It's actually the original temperature regulating material. Merino wool works beautifully in cool and cold weather, even warm weather. It comes in varying weights, and since I'm over 50 and tend to get a little hot, I like to layer, so I chose the lighter weight. You can choose whatever weight suits you. And here's why this is a game changer. I can wear this shirt 2 or 3 times before it needs washing because it doesn't hold odors. That means I pack fewer clothes and do less laundry while I'm on the road. It's perfect for layering, it looks polished, and it performs like a technical fabric. And finally, my compact selfie stick with remote. This thing is under 12 inches when collapsed, so it fits easily in my bag. But it extends up to 68 inches high, which is perfect for getting great shots when I'm traveling solo. The base extends so it's secure even in wind. There's a detachable remote control so I can set it up and step back for photos. And the magnet is strong enough to hold my phone super steady even in the wind. As a matter of fact, it's holding my iPhone right now. Whether I'm capturing memories or creating content, this selfie stick has become absolutely essential, and I won't travel without it. So there you have it, my 12 Amazon travel essentials that I use on every single trip. You don't need to spend a fortune to travel comfortably. These items deliver luxury level comfort at budget-friendly prices. Most are under 30, and a few are under 50. This is exactly what I mean by luxury hybrid travel. Smart choices that give you premium experiences without premium prices. It's not about compromise, it's about strategy. All of these items are linked in the description below. If you decide to purchase any of them, please use our links. It won't cost you extra, but it'll help us continue to roll these videos out and help others. Which ones are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if this was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more smart travel strategies. Remember, pack light, travel luxe, and make no apologies. And if you liked this video, we think you're gonna like this one too. Thank you for watching.